In this problem, we're asked to write the net ionic equation for the precipitation of a salt, in this case, zinc hydroxide. So again, formula writing is critical in order to solve this problem. We need the formula for zinc hydroxide. Since it is a precipitation reaction, the zinc hydroxide will be the product of that reaction. One thing you're going to probably do is look at the periodic table to figure out the charge of zinc so you can write the formula correctly. Zinc is in the transition metals of the periodic table. It's in group 12. And so right away we realize we can't use the group to figure out the charge. Recall that there are 3 transition metal ions that you do need to memorize the charge of, and they are zinc and cadmium, which are always positive 2, and silver, which is always positive 1. So zinc is positive 2. Okay, then we have hydroxide. Hydroxide is one of your polyatomic ions, and it is negative 1 charged. And because of the difference in charges, we need to carry the positive 2 charge over to the hydroxide. That way, our salt has a neutral 0 charge. Okay, it's a precipitation reaction. That tells me that the product is in the solid state of matter. Okay, and so when you're writing the net ionic equation, you just simply need to put the ions that are dissolved in solution as aqueous species on the reactant side. So we'll have dissolved zinc ions, which have a positive 2 charge, and they're aqueous meaning dissolved. And we have hydroxide ions, but there's not 1, there are 2. So the 2 becomes a coefficient for the hydroxide. And what this chemical equation is telling us is that when a zinc ion is dissolved in water and it combines with 2 hydroxide ions that are dissolved in water, they react in a precipitation reaction to form an insoluble solid zinc hydroxide.